Today we've been showing the new SFX and DPX from AMT PostPro alongside the Fuse 1 Plus. It's been a great day. We've got customers hands-on with the machines, showing them all the new kit, how it works, the benefits that it can bring to them, and also been able to show lots of example parts that have already been pre-prepared, just so different applications that are possible.
We're here in AMT Sheffield today to showcase our brand new products, the SFX and DPX in collaboration with Formlabs and Solid Print 3D. It's been a great day, some great conversations, speaking with customers about their specific applications and how we can add value with post-processing, specifically on the SFX side, with the chemical vapor smoothing, sealing the surface of 3D printed parts, and making end-use components.
It was great that the event was hosted by AMT so that we can have a full view of all their collection and have some hands-on experience. It was very, very interesting to see the SFX in person for the first time. I'm actually quite surprised with how small it is and it fits on a desktop. So it's literally a desktop vapor smoothing machine, and it fits and pairs perfectly with the Fuse 1 Plus 30W.
It's always great to do live demos, get customers talking to each other, and being able to do that all in one place is a brilliant experience.
I think the event went wonderfully. It was very well organized by Solid Print, bringing together two brands, AMT and Formlabs. Very different products, but very complementary. And I like the fact that we're working with Solid Print to offer a full solution.